Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Ducker, and I am here again to read to you. I miss seeing you, so I'm going to continue to bring you books that we all love and know. This book is called Good Night Moon. I'm sure everybody has heard this book before. It's one of my favorite books. So let's get started. Good Night Moon by Margaret Wise Brown, and pictures by Clement Hurd. In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon and a picture of... I'll show you this beautiful picture. The cow jumping over the moon. There were 3 little bears sitting in chairs. I kind of know this one by heart. And there were 3 little kittens in a pair of mittens, and a little toy house and a young mouse. Ooh, a lot going on in this house. So quiet in this house. And a comb and a brush and a bowl full of mush and a quiet old lady whispering, hush. See mush? Good night, room. Look at this room. It's a nice room. Look at that fireplace. Good night, moon. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, light and the red balloon. Good night, bears. Good night, chairs. Oh my, he's saying good night to everything in this room. Do you do that? Do you say good night to everything in your room? I might try that tonight. Good night, kittens, and good night, mittens. I bet some of you have kittens and mittens, huh? And good night, clocks, and good night, socks. Ooh, saying good night to the clock and the socks. Can you see it? There you go. Good night, little house, and good night, mouse. I mean, saying good night to everything that he has been blessed with during this pandemic. Good night, comb. Good night, brush. Just saying goodbye to all of our things. Good night, nobody. Good night, mush. Uh-oh, my page didn't want to turn. There we go. And good night to the old lady whispering hush. You think that's his grandma? I think it's his grandma. I think so. Good night, stars. Good night, air. Beautiful stars. Good night, noises everywhere. Oh, he finally probably fell asleep. The old lady's gone. Do you notice that? She's gone. She went to bed too. The end. And I want to say good night, boys and girls. We will see you soon, and you will continue to see me here reading books to you to show how much I miss you. Have a great day, Tigers.